Welcome to AAATOS, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and updates on the latest motorcycles. Today we bring you a detailed look at the Royal Enfield Bullet 350 2025, a legendary evolution HIOS introduction. The return of a classic. Welcome to AAATOS, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and updates on the latest motorcycles. Today we bring you a detailed look at the Royal Enfield Bullet 350 2025, a bike that carries forward its rich legacy while embracing modern upgrades. Known for its timeless design, thumping exhaust note, and rugged reliability, the Bullet 350 has always been a symbol of pride and tradition. But does the 2025 version live up to the expectations? Let's find out. Design styling: classic with a modern touch, the Royal Enfield Bullet 350 2025 retains its legendary old-school charm, featuring a teardrop fuel tank, chrome-finished details, and hand-painted pinstripes. However, subtle updates make it more refined and premium. The round headlamp with a halogen bulb, the vintage-styled instrument console, and the sturdy metal body all contribute to its unmistakable identity. The seat is now slightly improved for better comfort, and the overall fit and finish feel more upmarket. Engine performance: smooth and refined. Powering the new Bullet 350 is the 349-seat, single-cylinder, air-cooled J-Series engine, the same unit found in the classic 350 and Meteor 350. It delivers 20.2 bp of power and 27 Nm of torque, providing a smooth and refined ride. Thanks to fuel injection and a counterbalanced crankshaft, vibrations are significantly reduced compared to older models. The 5-speed gearbox ensures a relaxed cruising experience, making it perfect for both city rides and long highways. Ride quality: comfort. Built for Indian roads, one of the biggest strengths of the Bullet 350 has always been its ride quality, and the 2025 version continues this legacy. The twin down-tube spine frame improves stability, while the 41mm telescopic front forks and twin rear shock absorbers provide excellent comfort over rough roads. The well-cushioned seat and upright riding posture make long rides fatigue-free. Whether you are navigating through urban traffic or exploring highways, the Bullet 350 ensures a relaxed and controlled ride. Braking safety: confidence in every ride. The 2025 Bullet 350 now comes equipped with a single-channel ABS as standard, paired with a 300mm front disc and a 153mm rear drum brake. The braking performance is adequate for its segment, offering a safe and predictable stopping experience. The addition of tubeless tires on some variants enhances road grip, further improving safety on wet and uneven surfaces. Features: technology. Minimal yet functional. Royal Enfield has kept the Bullet 350's features simple yet practical. The semi-digital instrument cluster now includes a small LCD display for trip and fuel data, while the addition of USB charging ensures convenience during long rides. The switchgear quality has improved, and the self-start system is now more responsive. Although it doesn't pack fancy electronics, the Bullet stays true to its essence: raw, mechanical, and soulful. Fuel efficiency mileage: a practical cruiser, the Bullet 350 2025 is expected to deliver around 35 to 40 km, depending on riding conditions. With a 13-liter fuel tank, this gives it a practical riding range of over 450 km on a full tank, making it an ideal companion for long-distance touring. Price variance: worth the investment? Royal Enfield offers the 2025 Bullet 350 in multiple variants, including standard, military, and special editions, with prices starting around Rs 1.75 lakh, ex-showroom. Considering its brand value, reliability, and performance, it remains a strong competitor in the mid-range cruiser segment. Final verdict: should you buy the Bullet 350 2025? If you love the heritage, road presence, and iconic feel of the Bullet, the 2025 version is a fantastic choice. It retains its classic DNA while offering a smoother engine, improved comfort, and modern reliability. Whether you are a first-time buyer or a long-time Bullet enthusiast, this bike is built to last and deliver an unmatched riding experience. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this detailed breakdown of the Royal Enfield Bullet 350 2025, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AH